The meme coins are making a comeback, and here's some Pepe news you absolutely do not want to miss. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button down below to reach your 2024 crypto goals. So Bitcoin halving has passed and meme coins are starting to pump again. Looks like we're going to see Bitcoin continue to rise and hopefully enter meme coin season and also altcoin season. We're very excited over here on the 99B YouTube channel. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan. Today we're taking a look at PEPE coin. Let's jump right into the news. So we can see on crypto, we are up 2.4% on the market and 20% in terms of the 24-hour volume, making it a total of $69.9 billion of volume. In terms of greed, we're sitting at a 65 on the greed fear index, slowly creeping back into the greed. Hopefully we get some extreme greed and start getting some money pumping. We got ETFs live for Bitcoin pretty much across the globe now, even China entering the mix, which is absolutely insane. We can only imagine crazy things ahead for Bitcoin, and that to all the other meme coins. In terms of trending, guys, we can see meme coins are back, and we can see PEPE coin back in the list as well. PEPE currently trending at number 5, up 13% on the day and 64% on the week. Guys, last week when PEPE was down, I kept telling you guys to buy in. At one point we saw PEPE down nearly 30%, and I kept saying load up a bag, because these prices were not going to stay forever. And like I predicted, there we go, we got a pump. Here's another prediction. We have a pre-sale gem that I've been looking at and covering quite closely. Dogeverse, the world's first traveling chain Doge. Now this is on pre-sale. They've raised almost $10 million in the span of what, 2 weeks, which is absolutely insane. And majority of this money raised was while crypto was in the red, meaning they have some strong marketing campaigns in place, a strong community built, and you're absolutely not going to want to miss out. Talking about community, we come over Twitter and we see over 7,000 followers and a very active Twitter, which is absolutely insane. Just 12 hours ago, a fantastic way to kick off the week. Dogeverse hits $9.2 million. That's also a signal that we've exceeded the soft cap. Cosmo is about to take over the internet, and then now we can see it raise even more money, now sitting at $9.6 million, which is absolutely insane. But what is Dogeverse? Dogeverse is a multi-chain Dogecoin, which is trading on these 6 following chains and coming very soon to Solana. Not only is it a multi-chain token, it's a meme token, but it also has staking as well. You can earn upwards of 130% APY, and it's dynamic range staking, meaning the range is always changing. We've took a look at this very closely in the past before, so stay tuned for more updates for Dogeverse. But I just want to quickly highlight this while we're talking about PEPE. We're talking about gains that you're not going to want to miss out on gains like Dogeverse. But back to PEPE. PEPE back to trending again, and we can see in terms of meme coins, PEPE is sitting at number 4 in the overall meme coin market. Meme coin market also up by 1.4%. You can't sleep on the meme coins. All right, up 12% on the day, which is absolutely insane. Coinbase parallel trading also going live very soon as well, up 36% on the week. Majority of the gains been made in the past 48 hours ish, and the month we're still down to 7%. So again, it's not too late to start buying in again, guys, because this is absolutely going to pump, right? When you look at the year, we're up a whopping 2,000%. And again, PEPE is going to be a leader this bull run, so you're absolutely not going to want to miss out. There's so much of more of a bag to be made here, which is absolutely insane. We see over here as well on the community tab, want to trade PEPE, Shiba Inu, and Floki with 100x leverage. Now you can with this Finance Shots app, which is pretty cool. So if you are into leverage trading, that's pretty solid. And again, it's good to see that you can trade PEPE on multiple chains. Again, PEPE is pretty much available on every single centralized exchange listing at this point, so no reason not to own a bag. In terms of headline, PEPE is making headlines everywhere. PEPE skyrockets 17%. PEPE Dogeverse lead meme coins. PEPE, how's the price doing? PEPE, everything, how's it doing after the halving? It's absolutely insane. The technicals are also looking very good on PEPE, very bullish. Oscillators are in the buy. Moving averages are also in strong buy, which is great. And then the summaries also buy. So you're not going to want to miss out on PEPE, as it again is ranked 45 in the overall crypto market, and there's so much more room for some growth here. We've been seeing a little bit of sell off, and then now this is looking at a strong resistance line. We are starting to see PEPE pick up again. Again, great buying opportunities for those who haven't loaded up a bag just yet. Now I want to highlight this article super quick as well. PEPE coin skyrockets 17%. Traders note very bullish technical setup. As the technical setups are indicating, we are going to see this pump. PEPE coin rallied up 17% higher amid rising whale transactions and $1 billion in 24-hour trading volume. PEPE's valuation is close to dog with hat, with a 34% surge in the past 7 days and a significant whale activity. So what happened? Full-time trader notes that PEPE is already breaking out from its one-day downtrend on lower time frames. However, he emphasizes that a clean break and close one-day time frame would be a strong indicator for a bullish continuation. He also mentions a previous setup from 2 days ago that it achieved a full take profit with 28% move. He is now waiting for a flip in the current market for the next setup and advises followers to keep their eye on the charts while waiting for the trigger. So again, especially for people who are not in Pepe long term, obviously you're going to want to play your trades pretty smart, right? All the people that bought in around this range over here probably closed off. That's why we saw some downwards trend. And again, this might have been another zone to re-enter, and again, let it rally up, maybe even a little bit past its previous high in this 24-hour chart before taking profits. But again, to each trader their own. You always got to do your own research and due diligence. Now, going back to Pepe, guys, we can see almost $2.3 billion market cap, currently sitting at $2.87 billion, which is $2.86 billion, which is absolutely insane. And at the peaks of the market, guys, we're seeing Pepe peak around $4.2 billion, which is absolutely insane. The 24-hour volume is at $1.1 billion, which is absolutely insane, making top 11 in traded tokens. Pepe is going absolutely to the moon, even on social media, really taking over, almost 1 million followers. Again, very, very active as well. We see this was posted 11 hours ago. You know, the Pepe pressing buttons, replying to this tweet, as Coinbase will add support for Pepe perpendicular futures on Coinbase International Exchange and Coinbase Advanced. The opening for our 1000 PEPE market will begin after 9:30 p.m. on the 23rd of April, which is approximately a couple hours from now, which is absolutely insane. Pepe is really taking the internet by storm. It's more than a meme coin at this point. It is starting to become a movement. Like always, guys, it's not financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence. But let me know in the comments below how you're feeling about Pepe. Also, make sure you check out Doge. I'm going to link it in the description below. Opportunities like this don't always come. This one's looking like a solid project. It's doing really cool things. At least go check out the website and let me know how you feel about it in the comment section below. That pretty much wraps up the video. If you enjoy watching videos like this, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button down below. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.